YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. This is your boy Hemi Life. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In today's video we are picking up our Cts-V. We did drop it off last week to get some goodies done to it, and this clip right here is actually a little bit fast forwarded. I did forget to film in the morning, so this is going to be the intro. But without talking too much, let's go ahead, cue the intro, pop open the montage of coming here, and then let's show you guys the CTS. Here we go, man. Holy grail. Alright, and there she is. This is the 2009 Cts-V that we picked up a couple months ago. If you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch it. But here she is right here. Quick walk around for the people that haven't seen it. With these beautiful wheels, big brakes, Cts-V. And yeah, we did cut off something in the exhaust. I'll go ahead and link that video up too. But there she is. Today we are picking it up from Vector Motorsports. This is our go-to guy for performance things. This is where my uncle brought his Hellcat, and this is where we brought the Cts-V, and also the Mustang, my old Mustang, and also my Jeeps, my uncle's Jeep. So he's the guy to go to, Vector Motorsports. I'm not sure where it says that. I think on that little sign right there. But yeah, she did get a couple things done to it. I'm not sure if my uncle wants me to reveal what we did to it, so I'll ask him and then we'll show you guys. And then stay tuned, because I will be driving this thing home with my GoPro POV. You know, we're gonna do a couple things, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright, you got the key. Let's start it up. That was a weird start, wasn't it? Alright, here we go.
Continue on Old US 23 for 4 miles.
Feels weird. So I'm gonna explain to you guys what we did to it so far. So what we did an upper pulley, 255 upper pulley, an 8-rib belt. We did reinforced brick, and then an Eaton isolator, and then just a 93 tune. We're just doing the basic things right now. We don't want to get too crazy with it just yet. We did get a quote on something that we do want to do, which is gonna be a lot better, and I cannot wait for you guys to I can't wait till we do what we gotta do. But for right now, we just went simple, and we're gonna see how it does right now. Just let the car warm up a little bit better. but he said it feels a lot better. Oh, you guys hear those pops? Let's throw it in manual really quick. Definitely a lot better. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Just wait till we hop on the freeway. Alright, we're hopping on the freeway right now. Just waiting for my uncle to get a little bit behind me. I'm about to sweat my ass off because I don't want the windows down and I don't want
to keep left at the fork.
I don't want to use the AC. So yeah, let's see what this thing's made of, man. Why does it sound like there's air coming through?
Keep left at the fork.
Yes, keep left at the fork, I know. Alright, car's in auto right now. I don't have it in manual mode or anything. I'm at cruising at 80. Let's see what happens. 80 kilometers, by the way, guys. Definitely needs a little breaking into, I'll tell you that much. Let's go ahead and manual. Trolling this Raptor behind me. Exhaust sounds good right now, it keeps popping. The blower whine did get a little bit louder, but it's not like as loud as the Hellcat. If you guys remember that video, it's on the top right corner, go check it out. The blower on the Hellcat is insane, but this one is not that loud, but it definitely got louder than how it was, I'll say that much. Alright guys, well, GoPro almost fell. And just like that, we picked up the Cts-V. She is tuned, all that good stuff. I would have stayed and filmed a little bit more, but I'm actually going to my dentist appointment right now. So I'll see how much footage we have. Hopefully it's enough. But I hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you guys did, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more content coming here very soon. Let me just give you guys a quick update on the charger over here. It's in the air. I was working on it yesterday, but I got the wrong part. So I got the axles. They're already installed, as you can tell. This is the drive shaft. I got this drive shaft, but it's the wrong one. This is not an LSD. So when we get the LSD, we'll finish up that video. Other than that, the car is pretty much ready. So like I said, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. It's been your boy Hemi Life. Peace.